Now that the form is built, you may have noticed that I included a document category for documents for approval. When one of those documents is submitted, I want a notification to be sent out to ensure that the document is reviewed and approved in a timely manner. So to set up that notification, let's go to the Settings tab and choose Notifications. So currently there's an admin notification set up. This is a default that's on all forms and just sends notification that the form has been submitted to the admin email address that's associated with your website. So if we go back here, we click Add New so that we can specifically set up a notification for urgent documents. I'm going to call this Document Approval Required. The event will be when the form is submitted. Now you can choose whether to enter an email that you want this notification sent to, whether the email address should be pulled from a field that's on your form, or whether you want to configure the routing of the email. So in my case, I'm just going to enter an email. So all of my emails, all of the notification emails will be sent to that email address. Now you'll want to set up who this is from. Let's say it's coming from Sandbox at the admin email address. You can choose to set up a reply to email address, a BCC email address, but you are required to set up a subject line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to indicate who uploaded this file. So I'm going to do the name of submitter first, and then a space and their last name. And then I'll finish out by saying uploaded a document for approval. So this way, whoever submits the form, their name will be entered in the subject line here, first and last, and so that will change dynamically depending on who is submitting the form. And then every one of them will end with uploaded a document for approval. So you'll see a consistent subject line there. Now you can type in a message that you'd like the reviewer to see, like and then you can also include in here the file. And then you want to come down here and choose Enable Conditional Logic. So you want this notification to be sent only if the document category is Documents for Approval. So now we can hit Update Notification. And now that one is configured so that will be sent anytime that a document for approval is selected as the document type that's being uploaded. If you have multiple different notifications that you'd like to have sent, you can set up additional notifications. Once you've got those all set up, head on over to the next lesson and we will work on creating the document library that you'll display on your website.